When projects get very large and the amount of communications gets very long, you can see that over the course of a project there could be many posts and replies, and going back and trying to find something may become a little bit tedious and laborious. So one of the really nice features of every project wall is this search and filter functionality that's at the very top here. So one of the quick things you can do is search for a particular post by keyword. So for instance, if I type in washer, here are all the posts related to that keyword. So I can quickly find something this way if I needed to, whether it's an attachment or a particular keyword that's in a post or reply, it'll all be here. And I can quickly click on any one of these links, jump to the file, and it'll take me to the project wall and or the comment that's on the particular attachment, and it'll take me right to it. So in the case of a post, it takes me right to it here on the wall as well, no matter where it may end up being. Another way to filter posts is by the type. So if I'm looking for maybe only approval posts, I can quickly search all of my posts and look at the ones that were related to approvals. Whether they were approved or declined or asked for modification, I can quickly narrow down my posts this way as well. You can also do that with posts with attachments, posts with links, or just if you wanted to see the various status updates throughout the project, you can click on that and see the various status changes throughout the whole project. You can also sort by a particular person who's on the team. So you can see just all of Tim's posts here as well, or comments. Additionally, you can sort by a time frame. So we can look at all of today's posts. You can look at yesterday, this week, last week. Gives you a lot of variety here to choose from. So these are quick ways where you can quickly go through a very long project wall with lots and lots of posts and replies and filter and narrow down to find exactly what you're looking for.